Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant a high ping problem easy and quick. First click here and then type services, and now just scroll down and make sure to disable Windows Update. Right click on it and just double click on it and then make sure server status is stopped, and startup type make it disabled, and then click apply and OK. And after that just go back and then go to task manager, and now just click on network to make sure that there is no application that is taken your network, and also check your memory and close all the applications that is taken your memory. Right click and then close it in the task, and that's it. After making sure that Valorant got enough memory and network, then all you have to do just go to control panel and then click view network status and tasks, and then click change adapter settings. If you are using Ethernet cable, all you have to do just right click and disable it, and then wait a few seconds and enable it again. And if you are using Wi-Fi, just turn it off from the option that you will find here, and you will find an icon that you can turn off your Wi-Fi from, so just turn it off and turn it on again, and that's it. Then try again, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.